Hey guys, I'm Tom.
I'm Vicky.
Good morning, by the way. We're at the Carolina Travel Channel. I'll let you guys know that. Anywho, we're on our way to early this morning to go. We got invited to go to what's it called? Badin Lake Family Restaurant. So we're gonna ride by there and get some breakfast. We don't get out much in the breakfast time of the mornings, but we're doing it today. We're gonna go try them out, check them out, see how they are, and we'll let you know. Come on, you guys ready?
Let's go.
Let's go that way. Let's go. We got this. Come on.
All right.
How about four-wheeling? Just try that. I hear that works wonders. All right. That's pretty. All right. I think this is the turn off. Isn't this a slow morning? I guess it's a bad thing when you get these storms like that. You know, people don't get out. They don't go to their local restaurants and stuff. So, Badin Lake Realty. Oh, there it is. Badin Lake Family Restaurant. Oh. Ready to do? Let's go. What'd you get? 2 eggs, hash brown, bologna? You got some, look at, that's thick bologna. Huh. I got biscuit, egg, sausage, some home fries, and some dipping sauce. Dippity-doo, here we go. Boy, the biscuits look good, Lordy. That's pretty good. Now these dipping sauces, the ranch and honey mustard, I think. It's homemade. They make everything here. Biscuits, fresh biscuits. Everything's in-house. Nothing comes from outside. How is it, dear? How's your bologna?
Good.
Cool. Hey guys, so we just finished the Badin Lake Family Diner or Restaurant. Super good, really good. Everything's cooked there. Nothing's brought in. The ranch is made there. The sauces, we got some, what was it, honey mustard sauce too. It was really good. Their biscuits was amazing. It's like Mama used to make. That's hard to beat. And but their food was really good and for a really decent price. And so if you guys are in the area, you know, help your locals out. Go out there and stop in, get a biscuit, and tell them Tom and Vicky sent you from the Carolina Travel Channel, right?
Yes.
And we got their names. I'm gonna add it in this video. What's their names?
Melissa Kurtz.
Melissa and
Elena.
Annie. Anyways, they were super nice people. So like I said, stop out there and see them. Tell them Tom and Vicky sent you and get you some good vittles, because good vittles is hard to find, and this is some of the good stuff. So, right? So
Yeah.
we'll see it. Look at that view out there. You want to go swimming?
No.
Gosh, not up for adventure. All right, let's go home. You ready?
I'm ready.